In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to a cash account on Robinhood to avoid the pattern day trading rule. If you're someone who trades frequently and wants to steer clear of restrictions like the PDT rule, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Robinhood account on their official website. It's best to do this from a computer rather than your phone, as navigating the settings is often easier on a larger screen. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're accessing your actual brokerage account, not just the app's homepage. Next, you'll need to switch your account type. To do this, locate your account menu. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. From there, go to Settings. Under your settings, look for Account Type. This is where you can check whether your current account is set up as a margin account or a cash account. If you see that you currently have a margin account, you're eligible to switch to a cash account right from this menu. Robinhood has made this process fairly straightforward. Simply select the option to switch and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Remember, switching to a cash account is key for those who want to avoid the pattern day trading or PDT rule. The PDT rule typically applies to margin accounts and can restrict your ability to trade if you make more than 3-day trades within a rolling 5-day period. By switching to a cash account, these restrictions no longer apply, giving you more flexibility with your trades. It's important to note, though, if switching is not available from your current screen, for example, if the option is grayed out or missing, then this means you may not be able to change your account type directly. In this case, you still have an alternative. Here's what you can do. First, transfer all your funds out of Robinhood. You'll need to wait for your cash and any unsettled funds to clear before proceeding. Then, once your funds have been withdrawn, close your current margin account. After your account is officially closed, you can open a new Robinhood account, and during setup, be sure to select the cash account option this time. If you run into any issues or need guidance through this process, it's a good idea to contact Robinhood's customer support. They can walk you through the necessary steps or answer any questions specific to your situation. And that's it. Following these steps will help you successfully switch to a cash account on Robinhood, allowing you to trade without worrying about the pattern day trading rule. Always double check any changes you make, and don't hesitate to reach out to support if you need more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.